Did you receive a USB flash drive with your X2O water machine or get one of those earliest machines and get the USB flash drive in the mail and wonder, what exactly am I supposed to do with this? Or maybe you're a little hesitant to update your X2O water machine because you're afraid of doing something wrong. Well, if that's you, please don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain what firmware actually is, why LifeWave sent this update, and how to safely update your X2O water machine to the latest firmware version. So don't worry, the process is actually really simple, only takes a few minutes. So let's dive in. Before we talk about the update, let's first answer a very important question. What is firmware? Firmware is essentially the software that operates the internal functions of your X2O water machine. Think about your smartphone. Every so often, Apple or Android, they'll release updates that improve performance, maybe add features or fix bugs or enhance security. And the hardware, it actually stays the same, but the software running the device gets better. The same thing happens with smart TVs, Wi-Fi routers, automobiles, and now your X2O water machine. Firmware is basically the brain that tells the machine how to operate. When a manufacturer releases a firmware update, they're improving how that device functions. So when LifeWave sends a firmware update, it's simply a way to keep your machine operating with the latest software version available. Now, LifeWave provides X2O owners a USB flash drive containing firmware version 1.6.2. Inside the package, you'll find the USB drive and a quick guidance sheet with instructions for completing the update. One thing worth mentioning is that according to the user manual, the USB drive should contain only the firmware update file and no additional files. The good news is LifeWave has already prepared the drive for you, making the process very straightforward. Rather than recreate the update process myself, I'd like to show you parts of the official firmware update tutorial provided by LifeWave so that you can see the exact process directly from the company. So here it goes.
Before you begin, you will need an empty, small capacity USB flash drive and the latest firmware file from LifeWave. The USB drive must be formatted to FAT32 and should be USB 2.0. Other formats or versions will not be compatible. Insert the empty USB into the laptop, then download the latest firmware file and save it directly onto the drive. When complete, safely eject the drive. Remove the filter compartment cover to access the USB port. Insert the USB drive into the LifeWave X2O USB port. On the touchscreen, go to Settings, select Firmware Update, and follow the on-screen instructions. The unit will power off and restart automatically once the update is complete. Do not unplug the unit during this process. After the restart, confirm the new firmware version in the Firmware Update menu on your LifeWave X2O. Remove the USB drive and replace the filter compartment cover.
Now that you've seen the official update process, let's review the most important points. So first, you're going to remove the filter compartment cover and locate the USB port inside the compartment. And when you push the actual USB drive into that port, do it with a little bit of firmness and strength, okay? It's not just going to, you don't just gently slide it in. You do have to give it a little bit of a push. Next, you're gonna, like I said, insert that USB flash drive that contains the firmware update. On the touchscreen next, you will open the settings. There are three little dots to the left-hand side. Touch on that and then select Firmware Update. Then simply follow the instructions. And during the process, the machine will automatically power off and restart. When I did mine, it took approximately 40 seconds. And when that is complete and the machine turns back on, the process is complete. It is finished. You will remove the USB flash drive and reinstall the filter compartment cover, and you're finished. So finally, you'll go back to the settings and verify that the firmware version now displays version 1.6.2. So click the arrow or the three little dots on the left-hand side. Again, that will take you back to settings hit firmware update, and again, it should show version 1.6.2. There are two very important notes from the user manual. First, always update to a higher firmware version, right? Second, do not install other firmware versions. And it's going to be important if we do have other updates in the future that we remove what is currently on that USB drive at that point and bring into the drive the newest version that we're wanting to put into the machine. So the current firmware version is displayed on the firmware update screen, and that just makes it really easy to confirm that you're installing the latest version. One question people often ask is whether they need to update immediately. Now, while your machine will continue operating, it's generally a good idea to keep your firmware current, so you're using the latest version provided by the manufacturer. Another question is whether the restart during the update is normal. And yes, it is. And in my case, it took about 40 seconds. The machine is designed to automatically power down and restart as part of the installation process. And finally, after the update is complete, don't forget to remove the USB drive from the machine and keep it with all your other user manual and all your other materials so that you can use it just in case we have another update in the future. Now, one thing I appreciate is that LifeWave continues to support the X2O platform through these firmware updates. Many modern devices today improve through software updates, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. Now, the process is simple. It takes only a few minutes, and it helps ensure that your machine is operating with the latest software available. I hope the video helped make the software update process easy and stress-free. If you have questions about the X2O water machine, please leave those as well, because your questions might become the topic of a future video. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as I'll be coming out with more things about X2O and all things LifeWave in the weeks and years ahead. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.